Hello, I'm teacher Ivan from WUNNA Educational Services. I welcome you to our lesson. In this lesson, we shall be looking at how we get volume and surface area of the 3D shapes. The 3D shapes, those are shapes with all the 3 dimensions, which I mean it has the length, the width, and the height. So among the 3D shapes, we have the cylinder. We shall have the surface area of the cylinder and the volume. The surface area of a cylinder is gotten by finding the area of this curved surface plus the area of the 2 circles at the ends. So the area of the curved surface is given by 2 pi RH plus the 2 areas at the ends. So the area of those circles is pi r squared. But since they are 2, that's why we multiply by 2. So this is the area of the 2 ending circles, and this is the area of the curved surface, hence giving us a total surface area of 2 pi r into h plus r. Then its volume is given by pi r squared h. That is a cylinder. Let's move on to a cone. A cone has a total surface area of pi r into L plus r. Now this is also composed of 2. We have the area of this circle down and the area of this slanting part. That's why we have pi. When you open a bracket here, we shall get pi RL. That's the area of this slanting part, and then we get pi r squared, which is the area of that circle. Then its volume is gotten by a 3rd pi r squared h. That is for a cone. We come to a sphere. The surface area of a sphere is given by 4 pi r squared, and its volume is gotten by 4/3 of pi r cubed. That is for a sphere. A sphere is just like a circle, but the difference is that a sphere has unequal radii. It has more than 1 radius. That is a sphere. An example of a sphere is a ball, an orange. That's in the shape of a sphere. Even the planet Earth we are on, however, it's not a perfect one, but it's also in that shape of a sphere. Then let us look at a pyramid. For a pyramid, the surface area is given by the base area, that the area of the base of the pyramid. Some are square based and others are rectangular based. So you get the base of the area of the base plus the area of these shapes that are making the sides. That's how we get the total surface area of a pyramid. The area of the base, depending on its shape, whether square or rectangle, then plus the area of those sides. Then we have its volume. The volume is given by the base area times the perpendicular height of the pyramid. So that is for the volume and the surface area. Now let us look at other shapes. We have a cuboid. The cuboid has 6 faces, And that means that the total surface area will be the summation of all those 6 faces. However, 2 opposite faces have the same area. That's why we have considered 3 sides, because there are 6 sides, but the 2 are equal. So when you multiply by these 2, that's when you get the 6. Therefore, the total surface area of a cuboid is given by 2 into BH, where B is the base, this is the height, plus BL, which is B is the base or the breadth. Actually, this is breadth or width times the length. This is the height times the length. We are multiplying by 2. Reason being, there are 2 faces of width times height. There are 2 faces of breadth times length. There are 2 faces of height times length to make up the 6 faces of a cuboid. A cuboid, you can take an example of a box. A box whose length is different from the breadth. Otherwise, we also have a box whose sides are equal, that is in the form of a tube. But a box whose sides are not equal is a cuboid. So it has 6 faces, but 2 opposite are equal. That's why we multiply by the 2. Then its volume is given by the length times breadth or width times height. That is a cuboid. Then for a tube is where we have a box with all sides equal. And therefore, since the sides are equal, that means that the total surface area will be the summation of the area of each face. But remember, these faces are equal. Therefore, we shall get the face of one, the area of one face, which is L squared times 6, to get us 6L squared as the total surface area of a tube. L squared is showing the area of one face. But since all the faces are equal, they have the same area. That's why we multiply by 6. Then its volume is given by L cubed. We could say L times L times L, or L times W times H, but they are all equal. That's why we just say L cubed. And lastly, we have a hemisphere. A hemisphere is a half of a sphere. So, a hemisphere has the curved surface area, which is 2 pi r squared. And its volume is given by 2 over 3 pi r cubed. So that is all about the volume and surface area of the 3D figures. Otherwise, in our next video, we shall be looking at how we convert units of mass and maybe density. Otherwise, for now, we shall pause from there. I'm teacher Ivan from WUNNA Educational Services. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and also strike that bell so that you get notified whenever we have a video by simply striking the notification button. Otherwise, I'm teacher Ivan. We meet next time for another lesson.